In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Telegram background downloads. By the end, your photos, videos, and files will keep downloading even when you switch chats or briefly leave the app, so everything is ready to view when you come back. First, open Telegram on your device. This works on mobile, desktop, and the web version. Once you're in, you'll make all the changes from the same place. Head into Settings, then open Data and Storage. On mobile, you'll find Settings from the side menu. On desktop and web, it's in the main menu. Data and storage is where Telegram controls what downloads automatically and how aggressively it does so in the background. In the automatic media download section, turn on the switches for when using mobile data and when connected to Wi-Fi. Enabling both ensures Telegram can fetch media in the background on any connection type. This is what lets large downloads keep moving without you having to keep the chat open. If you're on a limited data plan, remember you can always revisit these options later and fine-tune them to match your usage. Next, tap directly on when connected to Wi-Fi. If you have an unlimited mobile plan, do the same for mobile data as well. Inside each, drag the data usage slider to high. Setting this to high tells Telegram to prioritize faster, more consistent downloading and to handle larger media smoothly in the background, reducing stalls or partial downloads when you're multitasking. Then, open the Files and Videos options and increase their maximum size sliders. Drag each to the top end allowed for your account. Telegram typically supports up to about 1.5 GB to 2 GB per file, depending on your account type. Raising these limits means big videos and documents can download automatically without you having to approve them each time. It's especially helpful in busy channels or group chats where media can be quite large. That's all you need to do. These settings apply immediately, so you don't have to save anything manually. From now on, as you browse other chats or even briefly switch apps, Telegram will continue pulling down your media in the background, and items should be ready to open as soon as you tap them. If you notice data usage increasing, just come back to the same screens and lower the limits or turn off mobile data downloads. And keep an eye on your available storage so your device has room for everything you're grabbing. You're all set. Background downloads are now enabled and optimized in Telegram.